Let's talk about DeFi. Now, the full form of DeFi is Decentralized Finance. And why do we call it as a decentralized finance? Because we are using smart contracts in order to do all the financial operations. And what are those financial operations? Those are borrowing, saving, lending, trading, yield farming, staking, flash loans, insurance. Means you can see all the financial operations are actually taking place using our smart contract. And generally, this smart contract is on a blockchain which follows decentralized principle. So we call this whole integration as decentralized finance. And all these financial operations are possible because of the various DeFi platforms that we have. For example, we have PancakeSwap, we have Uniswap. So Uniswap is based on Ethereum blockchain and PancakeSwap is based on the BNB smart chain. So you can see that PancakeSwap is the leading decentralized exchange on BNB smart chain, and Uniswap is also an open source project. Yes, both of them are open source, so both of them are totally transparent, and Uniswap works on the Ethereum blockchain. And if you want to learn about these different decentralized exchanges and platform in more depth, then I will share the link of this CoinMarketCap, where you can simply search on Google as well that CoinMarketCap decentralized exchanges, and you will find a list of all the decentralized exchanges, and you will see that we have plenty of them, right? There are so many decentralized exchanges that are currently right now. You can see the volume that they have, the number of markets, and I'm not a trader, trust me, so I'm not very much sure like all these different column values that I'm seeing here. So yes, you have to check it out if you are a trader or something. But here you can see that if I will select a particular network, I will be seeing only those platforms that are operating on that particular network. Like if you will see, I have selected Ethereum here, and Uniswap, Uniswap V2, Curve is also one of the famous platforms, DeFi platforms. So you can see that all these platforms are based on Ethereum. And likewise, if I will select BSC, that is Binance Smart Chain, so you can see that PancakeSwap V2, these platforms are based on Binance Smart Contract, or I will say Binance Smart Chain contract. Okay. And likewise, if I will select this BSC, you can see that all these platforms are based on BSC. And in the same way, we have for Solana, but you will see that we have very few platforms that are operating using Solana. We have Polygon, and Polygon, since this is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, you will find some more exchanges as compared, like the number of exchanges will be more as compared to Solana. And then we have Arbitrum and we have Genesis. And just like DeFi, we have some CeFi platforms as well. Like DeFi stands for decentralized finance. For CeFi, we have centralized finance. Means these are the platforms that actually help us in various financial operations in crypto, but these are under the control of a centralized entity. So like Binance, Coinbase, Gemini, and so the CeFi platforms that you are seeing right now. And how you can distinguish that whether a platform that you are using is a CeFi or a DeFi is just by checking whether they are providing you with any secret recovery phrase to keep safe or not. Okay, so if they are asking you that, okay, this is a secret recovery phrase that you must keep private to yourself and you should not share it with anyone, in that particular case, you can say that, okay, this is a DeFi platform or following the principle of DeFi, decentralization, actually not DeFi, decentralization. And if they are asking that, okay, you can simply log into our platform just by having a Google or just having, some Facebook or some other third-party application, in that particular case, it's a CeFi platform. So let's talk about the advantages of DeFi. Because DeFi is competing directly with CeFi, and CeFi, if you will compare with DeFi, has a lot of advantages. Like for example, it is fast, it is having a lot of transactions, a lot of trading every day. So definitely CeFi has their own advantage. But again, there are various reasons, there are various advantages of DeFi. That's why people are using it today. And that's why the DeFi industry is of around, like it's going to be around $230 billion by 2030, right? Now, the first advantage of DeFi is that pseudo anonymity means you can use a DeFi platform without revealing who you really are. Like if you will go to a CeFi platform, you need to have a PAN card, you need to have some, in India, we have PAN card, but definitely you should have some identity proof in order to tell the bank or in order to tell the CeFi platform that, okay, this is me, okay, who is doing all these transactions. But in DeFi, you do not require that. And this is very helpful in those countries where the inflation rate are very high and the government is not allowing them to buy any other currency or any other commodity. Second, transparency, because DeFi platforms are open source, so you can see their code that is online. So you can trust that, okay, whatever operations that you are doing on DeFi are safe and secure. But in CeFi, you do not know what they are doing with your private key, right? But in DeFi, we have this advantage. Cost efficiency, because whenever you are using CeFi, you have to pay some transaction fee, some amount of platform fee, which is very expensive. But in DeFi, you do not have to pay that. And this is very helpful in those countries where the inflation rate are very high and the government is not allowing them to buy any other currency or any other commodity. right? But when it comes to DeFi, no, you do not have to do that. Definitely, you have to pay a certain amount of fee. I'm not saying that you do not have to pay any fee, but it is less as compared to CeFi platform. Fourth thing is that it is open to all. Like CeFi platforms are restricted to a particular country, or they are not allowing certain countries that, okay, you cannot be a part of us. I will not allow you to do that, or something like that. They can strict the withdrawal. They can stop the withdrawal, and various CeFi platforms have done this in the past as well. That they just stop everyone that, okay, you cannot withdraw the money or you cannot do trading for this period of time. But when it comes to DeFi platform, it is totally open to all. It is totally flexible. DeFi platform will not do anything like that. Okay, we are freezing your account or something. So that's another advantage of DeFi. And with this, we have completed today's lecture. Meet you soon in the next lecture.